And that's when myDNA came in. And what we needed was a company with the foresight that, this trial is a crucial stepping to understand that this is not a commercial. There is commercial aspects involved, but to reach there, the goal, you need to do this trial. So myDNA, so Les yourself coming in, took the risk and said, let's go for it. So that's one. You had the foresight and you trusted us to do the trial. From our NHS colleagues, they trusted us because we do lots of trials. And when I proposed to them that, this is a trial, we need to recruit up to 4,000 patients, they said, it's ridiculous. You will recruit only less than 1,000 patients in 3 years. And that's getting 1,000 patients is a stretch. You will not cross that. But I had done the numbers. This whole development phase, I had worked out everything, including the numbers. I worked out the footfall in the patient in the hospital and how many patients would be prescribed the drug. But they had a legitimate concern that this trial will not succeed because all the trials ever done could not get the rate of recruitment as required for Phoenix. So they said you will never get. But again,
and a lot of trials fall down because they can't
recruit
patients. Yeah.
Absolutely. So that's where this comes in, because I had completed the other complicated trial for my hypertension gene. It was a small trial. So compared to Phoenix, we had 240 patients.
Yes.
But we had to screen 1,000 to get to 40. So, but only 240 had the intervention. So Phoenix was, by design, a complex, one of the largest trials we designed, and one of the largest trials to be done in such a short period of time. But it took about 4 years to come to that stage. So, and it was 4 years of concentrated work. So when myDNA came in, it was on the background of all this, but still there was risk. But I had ensured that everything was done, and when I explained to the NHS, they agreed that the numbers look okay, but they didn't believe that we'll get the numbers. So that's how finally Phoenix started. Lots of delay, and our problem was Living Lab has a fixed end date, and all this delay reduced the period of time that we had for recruitment. So we have less than 2 years for recruitment. We have now, in 14 months, as of yesterday, reached 2,470 patients randomized.